You wake up with big plans. Today, I'll finally fix my routine. You set your alarm, make your to-do list, and picture that ultra-productive version of yourself. Studying for hours, hitting the gym, maybe even learning something new. But by noon, the motivation fades. By night, it's guilt, scrolling, and that same old promise, I'll start tomorrow. Frustrating, right? It's not your fault. Your brain rejects routines that were never designed to suit it. But here's the catch. There's always that one guy in your class who enjoys the games, hangs out with friends, barely looks stressed, and still tops every exam. You look at him and think, how does he do it? What's his secret routine? Your teacher never told you this. The reason your routine fails isn't because you're lazy or lack effort. It's because of the method you've been using. Most students copy someone else's timetable. 4 a.m. alarms, 10-hour study plans, zero balance. Believing if it worked for them, it'll work for me too. But that's like wearing someone else's glasses. It might fit, but your vision will still be blurry. The truth is, the most productive students don't work harder. They work in sync with their brain's natural rhythm called the circadian rhythm. It decides when your brain focuses best, when it needs rest, and when creativity actually peaks. You don't need to read 400 or 500 pages of research. I've already done the spade work for you. Here are 6 science fact hacks to make your day work with your brain, not against it, and rebuild your routine. Scientifically correct, practically possible, and personally made for you. Let's break them down one by one. Step 1. Morning. Build the foundation. Forget the 4 a.m. club. The goal isn't to wake up early, but to wake up refreshed and consistent. Between 5:30 and 7 works best. Avoid your phone first thing, start with sunlight and water. Exposure to bright morning light, 5 to 8 a.m., boosts cortisol, suppresses melatonin, and increases alertness. Do light movement, stretching, yoga, or a short walk, to connect your body's Wi-Fi for better focus. Have a simple breakfast, oats, eggs, or fruit. Research shows memory declines in the evening due to cognitive sundowning. So tackle your hardest subject now. This is your deep work zone. 2 to 3 hours of peak focus. Use the Pomodoro method, 50 to 10 rule. 50 minutes study, 10 minutes rest. 1 focused hour here beats 3 distracted ones at night. Step 2. Afternoon. Practice and refuel. Feeling sleepy after lunch is normal. Plan with it, not against it. In classes or study sessions, summarize in your own words and review right after. It turns passive listening into active learning. Eat on schedule with light, balanced meals rich in protein and fiber. Skip oily foods that drain energy. If fatigue hits, take a 15 to 20-minute power nap or a quick walk. Both restore focus and alertness. Use afternoons for practice-based work like problem-solving, revising, or coding. Save heavy theory for mornings when your brain is sharper. Step 3. Evening. Move, create, recharge. After long hours of sitting, get moving. 20 to 30 minutes of exercise like walking, cycling, or dancing boosts memory, mood, and sleep quality. Next, do something creative. Read, draw, cook, or play music. Creative play reduces stress and keeps motivation alive. Before dinner, take 30 minutes to revise what you studied. Short reviews strongly reinforce memory. Finally, list your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. It clears your mind and sets a clear direction for the next day. Step 4. Night. Reset and recharge. Your next day's energy depends on tonight's rest. About 30 minutes before bed, begin a digital sunset. No screens, as blue light delays sleep. Dim the lights, read, journal, or sit quietly to signal your brain to unwind. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. It's your brain's save button, consolidating memories, strengthening learning, and resetting motivation for tomorrow. Step 5. The psychology behind routines. A consistent routine works because your brain saves energy when it knows what's next, turning discipline into autopilot. Top performers don't depend on motivation. They build systems. As James Clear says, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Forget perfection. Aim for consistency. Missed a session? No guilt. Just restart. Progress isn't lost, it just paused. Your goal isn't to copy anyone else's rhythm. It's to understand your own. Some people function best early, others late. Both are fine as long as your schedule supports your focus, health, and peace of mind. Step 6. Test it. Tweak it. A perfect routine isn't about being busy. Yes, it's about doing the right things at the right time with full focus. So test this plan for 1 week. Observe how your energy, mood, and focus shift. Then tweak it until it fits you perfectly. Remember, small, repeatable systems build big futures. Your success won't come from chasing motivation, but from designing an environment where good habits happen naturally. 5 years from now, the future you will look back, smile, and pat your back for watching this video, for taking action, building the right routine, and choosing consistency over excuses. Because this isn't just a routine, it's the start of the version of you you've always wanted to become. So here's your 7-day challenge. Follow this routine and comment your results below. I genuinely want to hear your results. Did your focus improve? Are you less tired? If this helped you, share it with a friend who's always struggling to stay consistent. Because discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow. Your perfect routine starts now. But remember, a good routine means nothing if you can't remember what you learn. So watch the next video. How to remember everything like the Japanese. See you there.